Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Hina. Renowned as the Polynesian goddess of the moon, femininity and creation. Part 1, Significance of Goddess Hina. What does Hina represent in mythology? Goddess Hina holds great significance in Polynesian mythology, representing the divine feminine energy and embodying various aspects of life and nature. Hina is often associated with the moon, symbolizing her connection to cycles, fertility, and the passage of time. As a goddess of creation, she represents the life-giving forces of nature, nurturing the growth of plants, animals, and human beings. Hina is also revered as a guardian of the arts, inspiring creativity, poetry, and craftsmanship. Her significance lies in her multifaceted nature, encompassing the roles of creator, nurturer, and muse. Hina teaches us to embrace our own divine feminine essence, celebrate the cycles of life, and honor the interconnection between nature and creativity. She reminds us of the power of creation and the importance of nurturing and honoring the beauty and abundance that surrounds us. Part 2, Archetypal Qualities of Hina. Embracing intuition, creativity, and cycles of life. As the Polynesian goddess of the moon and divine femininity, she embodies the archetype of the nurturing mother, the wise crone, and the enchanting muse. Hina symbolizes the cyclical nature of life, the ebb and flow of emotions, and the power of intuition. Her archetypal presence evokes qualities of grace, beauty, fertility, and creativity. Hina guides us to embrace our feminine essence, encouraging us to honor our intuition, cultivate our creative gifts, and nurture the growth of ourselves and others. Through her archetype, Hina teaches us the importance of finding balance, embracing our cycles of change, and connecting with the subtle energies that guide us on our journeys of self-discovery and transformation. Part 3, Symbols associated with Goddess Hina. Exploring the symbolism of Goddess Hina. The moon is a central symbol associated with Hina, representing her connection to cycles, femininity, and intuition. Flowers, such as the hibiscus and night-blooming jasmine, symbolize her beauty, grace, and fertility. Animals associated with Hina include the owl, which symbolizes wisdom and insight, and the sea turtle, representing longevity and the connection between land and sea. Colors associated with Hina are silver and white, reflecting the moon's gentle glow and purity. Together, these symbols, plants, animals, and colors evoke the divine presence of Goddess Hina, celebrating her role as a nurturer, creative muse, and guardian of the moon's luminous energy. Part 4, The Story of Goddess Hina. Illuminating the soul. Goddess Hina's message of creativity and balance. Once in the vast embrace of the Polynesian islands, a radiant goddess named Hina graced the land. Her presence enchanted all who beheld her ethereal beauty, sought her wise guidance, and witnessed her deep connection to the moon. As the embodiment of divine femininity, Hina emanated a captivating energy, subtle yet potent, that wove harmony and transformation throughout the world. Hina's presence was felt by all who gazed upon the moon's luminous glow. Each night, she would weave moonbeams into the dreams of the sleeping, infusing them with guidance and inspiration. The people revered Hina as the source of creativity, intuition, and the cycles of life. She taught them to honor the ebb and flow of their emotions and to find balance in the ever-changing tides of existence. One day, a young woman named Kaya found herself lost in the depths of despair. Her heart was heavy, and she felt disconnected from her purpose and inner strength. Seeking solace, Kaya ventured to a secluded beach, where she knelt in the sand and gazed up at the moon. As if responding to her plea, Hina appeared before Kaya, her radiant presence bathing the beach in a soft, ethereal light. Hina spoke with a voice that carried the wisdom of ages, offering guidance and a path to transformation. She encouraged Kaya to embrace her innate creative power, to trust her intuition, and to find strength in vulnerability. Inspired by Hina's words, Kaya embarked on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. She painted vibrant artwork that flowed from her soul, expressing her innermost thoughts and emotions. She danced under the moonlit sky, reconnecting with the rhythms of her body and spirit. Kaya sought guidance from the natural world, communing with the trees, the ocean, and the animals, learning from their innate wisdom. As Kaya embraced her own divine feminine energy, she radiated love, compassion, and creativity. Her journey not only transformed her own life, but also touched the lives of those around her. Through her art, dance, and connection to nature, Kaya shared the wisdom and beauty that she had discovered within herself, inspiring others to embark on their own paths of self-discovery and transformation. As time passed, Kaya's story spread across the Polynesian islands, a testament to the enduring influence of goddess Hina. The people honored Hina through their art, music, and rituals, recognizing her as the guiding force of their creative endeavors and the embodiment of feminine wisdom. And so, the legend of goddess Hina and her transformative influence continued to weave its magic throughout the generations. As long as the moon shone brightly in the night sky, her energy would forever inspire and guide those who sought the power of personal growth and the beauty of the divine feminine within themselves. Part 5. 3. Strategies for personal transformation, tapping into the power of the Hina archetype. Strategy 1. Cultivate inner balance. Draw inspiration from the Polynesian concept of pono, meaning harmony and balance. Embrace practices that promote inner balance and alignment of mind, body, and spirit. This can include engaging in meditation or mindfulness techniques, practicing yoga or other movement forms, and adopting healthy lifestyle habits. By nurturing your overall well-being and finding equilibrium within yourself, you can experience personal transformation and live in harmony with the world around you. Strategy 2. Honoring nature's rhythms. Embrace the deep connection between goddess Hina and the natural world. Spend time in nature, immersing yourself in its beauty and rhythms. Engage in practices like forest bathing or ocean swimming, allowing the healing energy of nature to cleanse and revitalize your spirit. Pay attention to the signs and messages that nature offers, recognizing them as guidance on your personal journey of transformation. Strategy 3. Embracing lunar energy. Observe and honor the phases of the moon, using them as a guide for personal reflection and intention setting. Align your actions and energy with the specific qualities associated with each moon phase, such as planting seeds of intention during the new moon and releasing what no longer serves you during the full moon. By attuning to the lunar energy, you can tap into the cyclical nature of life, enhance your intuition, and foster personal transformation. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual. Steps. 1. Find a quiet and peaceful space where you can perform the ritual without interruptions. 2. Decorate the area with flowers, candles, and symbolic items that represent Hina, such as seashells, a moon-shaped pendant, or images of the moon. 3. Begin by taking a few deep breaths to ground yourself and create a sense of calmness. 4. Close your eyes and visualize a beautiful, white light surrounding you, connecting you to the divine, and opening a channel to Hina's presence. 5. Light a candle or incense as a symbolic representation of inviting Hina's presence into the ritual. Speak an invocation to Hina, expressing your intentions and calling upon her for guidance, wisdom, and protection. Use your own heartfelt words or a prepared invocation that resonates with you. 6. Prepare a small offering to present to Hina. It could be a physical item like a flower, a piece of fruit, or a symbolic representation of something that holds significance for you and Hina. 7. Place the offering on your altar or in a designated space, expressing your gratitude and acknowledging Hina's presence in your life. 8. Take a moment to reflect on the qualities of Hina that you admire and wish to embody in your own life. Meditate on these qualities and allow yourself to deeply connect with Hina's energy and teachings. 9. Conclude the ritual by extinguishing the candle or incense, signifying the end of the sacred time with Hina. A final message, words of wisdom from Hina. Believe in the magic of your dreams, for they hold the power to shape your reality. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.